Bobby with Altus Motorsports. Today we're here to showcase the 2021 Kawasaki KRX 1000 Trail Edition. What makes it different from the base model is it comes with the sport roof. They also powder coat the A-arms, the front bumpers that comes with, the roll cage, and the dirt bars, and that's paint scheme. It comes with a 4,500 pound winch from Kawasaki, the worn winch, steel cable. It has over 112 horsepower, 18 inches of travel in the front, 21 inches travel in the back. Starts off at $22,999. Top speed on it's up 68 miles per hour. We can accessorize it any way you'd like. We also have the base models in stock, the new 2021s and just start. Give us a call, 580-477-1500. Come down to 2116 E Broadway Street, Altus, Oklahoma, 73521. We specialize in fun. Have a great day.